In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This links your ClickUp workspace to your Google identity so you don't need a separate password. Select the Google account you want to use and complete any prompts. If a consent screen appears, allow access so ClickUp can display your sheet. If you use two-step verification, complete that as usual. Once you're in, head to the team space where you want the sheet to live. Think of a space as the home for a department, project, or client. Pick the one that best fits who needs to see the spreadsheet. Placing it at the space level makes it available across folders and lists where your team works. Inside that space, click the plus view button. Views are ways to visualize information in ClickUp, and we're adding Google Sheets as a new one. Scroll to the bottom of the options and choose Google Sheets. This creates a panel where your spreadsheet will be embedded directly in ClickUp. If you don't immediately see it, keep scrolling. It's grouped with embedded content views. Depending on your workspace settings, admins may limit who can add views. Now switch to Google Sheets in another tab and open the sheet you want to integrate. Copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Tip: make sure the sheet's sharing settings let your team at least view it, otherwise it won't load. Go back to ClickUp and paste that URL into the field provided. Click Save, and ClickUp will embed the spreadsheet as a view inside your space. Finally, click the highlighted Google Sheets view to open it. You should now see your live spreadsheet inside ClickUp. If permissions allow, you can view or even edit without leaving your workspace. You can also rename the view later so it's easy to find. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to a ClickUp space, pasted the link, saved it, and opened the integrated view. Use this setup to centralize reporting, dashboards, and trackers, keeping everyone aligned without switching tabs.